So, this brand new Hybridline is leaving the workshop tomorrow. The customer will come and pick it up. I thought it might be a good idea to show the specific features of these instruments while I still can. I would like to start at the back, because although it's a stunning top, the one-piece Sipo mahogany, for me it's really wonderful to look at. If you look at the nice grains. So it's a Sipo mahogany a body of one piece, rock maple neck. It's a two-piece neck. We prefer it that way, so it's really stable. And if you look at the electronics pocket, I don't know if you can see, but I was able to cut it out from both sides out of the body, because the body is completely hollowed out. And often we are able to find a matching wood to do this, but this is actually the same wood, and it comes loose with just one magnet. And here's the inside, the motor, the engine of the guitar, so to speak. This is a custom-made Klaus Knoll mix pot, and what this will do is you're able to mix the magnetic pickups with the acoustic system that we've built in under the bridge here on the inside of the guitar. Click. Let's go to the front. As you are able to see, it's a very nice walnut top, and it's maybe hard to recognize, but it's coming out of this big chunk of wood. It's Dutch walnut, and we have had it for a few years now, and you wouldn't say it because this is so much whiter or bleaker than this, but it's where it came from. As you can see, I was able to cut the top out and glue it on the pickup covers, and this way you get a really nice matching pickups. It's got a bird's eye maple fingerboard, and one of the special things about this guitar is that it's a very short scale length. It's 24 inch, and with these instruments you can get any scale length that you would like, basically. This is not what we normally would do, but the customer really liked to play 24 inch. The width of the top knot is custom, and the width of the bridge, you can choose it whatever you want. If you have a neck that you really like, we can make that. The headstock came out of the exact same wood as the top, and so is the bridge. The bridge came out of the same wood as the body. This is a piece of sterling silver which I've put in with the Cocopelli figure, and detail of that little figurine comes back here. So yeah, it's time to play it. Normally we would like to ask one of our friends to play it, because we're not that good, but it's Corona time, so you have to do with me. I'm not going to do anything fancy, but I'm just going to show the instrument as it is. Here goes. This is the magnetic pickups. The pickups were made by Harry Heusel in Germany. He's able to make pickups with this format so that it looks really nice with our top. This is the acoustic system. Of course, you can use both. Hopefully in the near future we'll be able to make a bit better demonstrations of our instruments. Our friend Joost on the Beek is planning on doing some demos of our instruments, so that would be lovely. But for now, it has to be me. This was it for this week. If you like what we're doing, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll give you regular updates on the Friday afternoon. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.